everyone, today I was just trying to put on my makeup, getting ready for the day, and suddenly I go like, you know what, I'm gonna film what I'm doing. And then I started with putting my face mask and then my eye patch and then foundation and then makeup and then hair. And so I thought I'm gonna put this together and share it with you lovely people, just in case you might find something useful. It's the weekend, and usually the weekend is when you have more time to pamper yourself, because for me, no matter what makeup you put, no matter what clothes you wear, if you don't take care of your skin, then chances are you're not gonna look your best, your very best. And you know, we want to feel good about ourselves. My gift for you is how to take care of your skin so that you look fresh and vibrant regardless of your age. Well, first of all, after taking a shower and washing your face, because I don't do this every day, I actually put my favorite brand, Elizabeth Grant favorite skincare, and this is my detox mask with hemp seed oil. It feels so good because once you put it on your face and then leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then take it off, it's almost like there's a film, very silky to the touch, right? And yes, I'm talking about this, but I'm also having this on my eyes. So I'm going to show you what I have under my eyes. So I have this little fridge beside me, and that's where I put all of my moisturizers, my mask, and all of that. So this is my Grace and Stella eye mask, because I really have very dark circles around my eyes, and I don't do this all the time because I don't remember to do it all the time. But I said, you know what, I'm going to be very religious about my eye mask because it helps freshen up your eyes, and it makes, see, it just keeps going down, so you just have to fix it once in a while. 5 more minutes and this is off, and I'm gonna put my makeup. Okay, I was able to put on my CoverGirl foundation, and now I'm gonna go for the highlight, which I always put here in the inner corner of my eyes, because this one does wonders for the eyes. I like the feeling of my skin after an eye mask treatment and a facial mask treatment. So it's like you can apply anything on your skin because everything is just really smooth. And I use this one as a base here before I even put on my eyeshadow, because you want it to be smooth and dry so you avoid patches. Well, today I'm gonna go for pink makeup because I'm wearing my Barbie Mattel pink dress, and so I'm gonna use my Anastasia palette. We're gonna use this, and this for my shadow. Now what I do when I put my shadow is I don't dump a color on my entire eyelid. I always have to follow the crease, because that's how you make your eyes stand out. If you want your eyes to become bigger, you have to make them move forward. So you have to leave some area here that's for light, for light color, for highlight. You don't put dark, because otherwise it's gonna make your eyes recede. So see, this is what I do. I have this half moon here, and then I just follow the contour, and again I'm using pink shade, pink burgundy, and I put a little dab here, a little dab there, and blend. And then feel how awesome you are. And of course my coffee. This is my favorite of all, my tartlet. As you can tell, look at all the scratches. These are my favorite shades because they match my skin tone and they go with pink. Okay, so I'm gonna use this to put on my eyelids. My Jaclyn Hill is my favorite highlight palette, and I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna put here, just light, because you can see how it's already very powerful. See, oh, this is my favorite technique, ladies. I have to put here because it gives depth to my eyes. It's white, but see, I put it here because then you can see how it's deep. It goes inside or something like that. I don't know how to explain it, but you can see the effect. And then dab a little bit here to make my eyes pop up. And then I'm going to I'm going for brunch, but I don't know why my makeup is like this. I think it's because I am talking about makeup, so because of that I am like making my makeup really full, like full blast or something. I don't know what you call it, but okay. My coffee, my coffee, my coffee, my coffee. Now I'm gonna line my brows. You have to enjoy life. Even when you're putting your makeup, you gotta put fun in it. I mean, that's me. So if you can, do it, have fun. Whatever it is you're doing, even if you're just putting your eyebrow or lining your eyebrows. And of course, don't ever forget your contour. Don't put it very low. Don't put it very high, or you look like an alien. Put it exactly where your cheekbone rests. Right there. I use brown because my skin is brown and I'm dark. And then a little bit here, a little bit here. This is like the fur of my dog. And then some at the top. That area there. Okay. If you believe in love. And then I'm going to put my Maybelline blush. This time I put it right just there, just like kissing the tip, kissing the tip, kissing the tip. Oh, there's more. Lip liner. Tip about lip liners. You know, they say when you put lip liner, definitely I follow the contour of my lips, but they say you don't put it all the way to the corner or we will look like Joker. So we end it just right here. Like if you open your mouth, should be a little rounded, right? So I'm gonna give it a try. I need to paint my nails, but let's line our lips, ladies. I put lip balm already, so this is my lip balm, Nivea. Nice and good for babies, so safe.
Here's your time to shine. Show me what you can do.
See, I just follow, but see, I don't go all the way to the corner.
We were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling.
Because it'll make your lips plump without the injection. I'm just gonna blend it. Blending done. Next is lipstick. I love experimenting with lipstick, but I also like it when I buy something fancy, like my Barbie pink. I'm gonna go all out pink today because I'm wearing pink and I just love pink, so. But I'm gonna just put light. Because this Barbie lip tint is very strong and powerful. I'm gonna try this on top of it. Now gloss is next, because see how it's so dry? I don't like matte so much unless I'm using a crimson red kind of thing, kind of color, but otherwise for pink, I'm gonna put gloss, ladies, gloss. Okay, I'm gonna get it. Like I have pouty lips. Without the Botox, without the injections. I need to do TikTok. Okay. Okay, a little bit of a hair tip. Well, some people go like, okay, you have such beautiful hair. And you know what? My hair is actually very thin now, see? And I'm 62. So yes, that's why my hair is really thin now. But after showering, so while my hair is a little bit damp still, or even when it's dry, I use my Olaplex number 6. And I put that on my hair, which I just did earlier. And I just put like a little, like this much on both sides of the hair. And then because I'm going to use my hair straightener, because I didn't curl it overnight because I was so tired and sleepy, I'm going to use my hair protector, my thermal hair protector, and this is Tresemme. I use this every time I need to straighten my hair, especially because I hardly have any hair left. So yeah, I have to do this. So I will see you in a bit after my hair is done.
What you can do, make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark.
I don't use the hair straightener for longer than 15 minutes, sometimes 10. I just want to be sure that the ends are like nicely put together. This is my hair. I can already go out in this one, but otherwise sometimes I like to put my hair extensions, and I'm going to do that right now. I'm just going to brush my hair extensions. There we go. And then I start here.
I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. I'll show me
Okay, now that
what
I have
you
put
can
my
do.
extensions, I put them actually under my real hair so that they don't show. And then I'm just gonna let my bangs go down a little bit. Where did they go? Okay, so we are about ready. I hope you love this video, and I hope that you can follow me on my YouTube channel, Jackie D, and follow me on my social media platforms at The Real D. That's TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And I do have a Facebook page that's Building Your Self-Esteem on Social Media, because honestly, social media is good because we get lots of information, we get inspired, but it can also be a cause for very poor self-esteem when we look at ourselves from a very superficial point of view. We always have to look for the beauty inside us, and that we should always never compare ourselves with others. We use others if they have good techniques, good skills. We use those as an inspiration, as a motivation. But then remember, we only compare ourselves with who we were before, and see how far we've come and appreciate ourselves more.